Hello, Mrs. Schultz here. I'm going to show you how to start your cardboard letter or a logo. So I drew out a Phillies P and I put a base on it so that I could stand it up later. That way it has balance. Two pieces of cardboard that are the same size. And I'm just going to trace over the P. You can see what I'm doing out in TV land there. Oops. So while I was drawing my P out, I had to make sure that I knew how big my cup was going to be that I was going to use. So you can use a cup, you can use a toilet paper roll, paper towel roll. You can make your own little slotting, remember the nanu thing from the building techniques video, and put them in there. So I'm using my little cups I found in the bathroom. So I just made sure that my cup actually fits in there, right? It's not gonna hang out. All right, so now I have this part. I can go ahead and cut out my design. Voila. All right, we got our Phillies P. Now we need to trace that onto our other piece of cardboard that was the same size. So I'm just gonna lay that down. I'm gonna use my marker and trace it. Pretty excited about doing this Phillies P since we're missing baseball season this year, which is kind of sad. Okay, so I got a duplicate. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. Doesn't have to be super perfect, just close enough, because you are going to be covering it with paper mache. Woo! All right, created quite the mess here. All right, I got two matching peas. I'm going to lay them on top of each other. All right, so I have my paper mache paste. My two peas, I have some cups. And what I'm gonna be doing is dipping my cups and putting them on the P and then finding heavy stuff to place on top of it. Make sure you pick somewhere where your animals aren't gonna jump on it and it's not gonna be in a way for about a day. All right, so it's just gonna lay out my cups. I'm gonna stagger them, so some are up, some are down. You don't need a ton of them. So let's see, squish a little. I think that'll work just fine. All right, so some flipped. I'll take my paper mache solution that I made, and I'm gonna dip my cups in them. So the paper mache mix is just flour and water. All right, I'm gonna use some on, oops, on the tops too. Now, if you don't like getting messy, I don't mind actually. You can use a paintbrush for this. And just make sure you wash it out really well. The other thing you could do is paint the inside of your pea, the other side, with some of this. And I have to. Okay, now you need to make sure that you are putting it exactly overhead. Okay, apply pressure, find some stuff that you could put on top of it. So I have this tray that I use for Thanksgiving, usually only for rolls or meat or whatever. All right, so that's pretty heavy. So that's gonna help keep it, flatten it out, make sure it's even, and help the glue dry to the cups and the cardboard. All right, so that is assembling your initial, your letter, or your logo. Next up will be how to wrap it. All right, see ya.